I'm running along 60 miles per hour. I've been driving for over an hour. I still got another hour and a half to go. Heading to Temple, Texas to watch some drag racing. Very cool out here. Oh, see ya, boys. I've been sitting at a gas station letting the bus cool down. It really doesn't want to start up again after it's been hot. And then this time I had to get out and actually beat on the starter with a hammer. I hope that's not going to be the norm. Here goes Mr. Waller. We'll make it there. See how he goes this time, huh?
Rolling this time.
made it home around 1 o'clock in the morning. I didn't end up staying at the actual track. The bus did great. I drove 7 hours at 62 miles per hour, and I did almost 400 something miles. I had to stop in the middle of the night and change the headlights on the bus at an O'Reilly's because they were the original headlights and they were super dim, and I'm getting old and it's hard to see. But it was a good test for the bus. During the heat of the day, I did have a little bit of cutting out, so I got to figure out if I'm losing a coil or what's going on with it. But I said it's a good test, man. I feel confident going in anywhere. Hell, I was at at 11:30 midnight last night. I was driving around in Dallas, so it was a pretty killer trip. I drove from East Texas to Temple, Texas to go watch drag racing, and I ran up 31 to 35. And on the way back, I drove 35 all the way past Fort Worth, past Dallas, onto 20 and back to East Texas. So it was a good trip. Man, if you got an old Volkswagen, go get it on the road. Have fun with it. Peace.